Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to be adding dimensions to our drawings. So now that we have this view, the next thing we need to start doing is adding the smart dimensions to it. So the smart dimension works the same way everything else works. If you click on the circular edge, it's going to add the diameter for that circular edge, or you see, and it depends on how I'm dragging it. If I drag it somewhere upward here, you can do it with the arrow. You typically, for dimensions that are circular, you want to do it with the arrow, and you just click somewhere over there. Then you also select smart dimension. You can click on this line to this line, and you add the dimensions for those two lines, and you click it, and all the properties for that dimension can be found here. And these are like an additional symbols you can add to the dimension. So we'll just add a couple of dimensions. So we can add the dimension from the top of this valve to the center line. So we have something like that. And usually when I add my dimension, I always like clicking on the center to center that dimension and the center line. And I'll do the same thing for this. Click on the center to center it. And we can also add the dimension for this face, and click that and click. And the good thing about using SolidWorks is, now that I add this dimension, SolidWorks is actually recognizing it as a diameter. So sometimes when you are making a drawing, the symbol will let you know that, okay, this part is revolved and is going straight through at this distance. So the next thing we can do is add the distance. Maybe pull this back. Add the distance from here to here, and that will be that. And we can add so the way SolidWorks works is, sometimes when you click on radius it might not work. For the most part, you just click on the ones that do work. So we click on this radius, and some radius you might just have to add it with notes. So we click on this radius, and any part you click on, SolidWorks is actually gonna be able to recognize whether it is a diameter or just a straight part. So anyway, that's how you add your dimensions, by just clicking. And I'm trying to find what else we can add. We have those dimensions, and let's just do one more. Maybe we'll do half of this, so we can dimension from here to here, and we can pull this view down a little bit, so until we have something like that. And that is how you add your dimensions in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.